So today we're doing 2 beef chuck roasts on the smoker. Each beef chuck roast is about 4 pounds each, and the rub we're using is quite simple, just 16 mashed black pepper and salt, and then we will cook it like a brisket till it reaches of an internal temp about 200 degrees on the pellet smoker. We are using smoking pecan pellets as well for the cook, and these are hands down the best pellets I've ever used. The smoke and the aroma that comes off during and post cook is just incredible. And then we are using our Typher wireless thermometer to monitor the cook and make sure we know what's going on. So here we are wrapping things up with the cook, and as you can see, the bark turned out fantastic, and the meat turned out juicy and shreddable since we put it in beef noodles.